welcome back to the channel. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. Today we're doing another sort of test it out Tuesday. I have a few items from the holiday collection from Givemeglow Cosmetics. I am so excited. This was supposed to be under my tree, but I told the hubs I need to review this as soon as possible, and a lot of you wanted to see a video. I think as of right now everything is sold out, but I will link everything down below. Definitely check them out on Instagram for updates, information, and when they restock products. If you are new here to the channel, welcome. I have done a whole series of videos with Test It Out Tuesday. Basically it's where I'm going to test out a brand new product, do a first impression. I do have a full playlist if you guys want to watch some more Test It Out Tuesdays. I'll be sure to link the playlist below in the description box, as well as everything that I am wearing today. Alright, let's just do a quick overview of what I got. I only purchased 3 items from the collection. They launched different highlighters, pressed and loose. They also had just the one eyeshadow palette, and then they also had some liquid to matte lipsticks. I did order a few things during their Black Friday sale, so I really do like their liquid lipstick formula. Now I can't remember what the flat rate shipping is. Again, I'll put more information below, but everything was wrapped really nicely, and everything was in red, very festive packaging. Anyways, they bubble wrap everything, and then they wrapped everything in tissue paper. So happy with how the presentation is. Everything is just so beautiful. So first up we have the pressed highlighter called Snowflake, which, oh my gosh you guys, the packaging, the name. So the packaging on the pressed highlighter is beautiful. There's snowflakes all over it. It says Givemeglow on the front. It says Falling Glow as well. I'm not sure if that's like the name of the collection, like the holiday collection, but that's what it says. This is just a cardboard packaging, and when you open it up you do get a little square mirror, and you get a huge pan of highlighter, and again this is in the shade Snowflake. Beautiful icy white with lots of silver in it as well. It's just the most beautiful highlighter ever. The pressed highlighters retail for $17.25. Alright, let's move on to the loose highlighter, and I also compared both of these swatched side by side, so you will see that in a moment. This came in a really cute little mesh red pouch, which I thought was a great little extra holiday touch. So the loose highlighters retail for $5, and you do get a total of 11 grams of product, which is insane. And I definitely wanted to get this one because, again, it's beautiful. This one is called Snow Angel. It comes in this really nice plastic sifter packaging. It has gold around the outside. So Snow Angel is definitely a softer white, very glowy. It's actually not as intense as I thought it was going to be, and I'm going to swatch Snowflake next to Snow Angel, and you can tell in the swatches that Snowflake has more silver, it's more intense, it looks more metallic, and Snow Angel is definitely a little bit softer, but honestly I love both of them. They are very similar, but I find that Snow Angel looks softer on the skin, especially when you blend it in. Alright guys, moving on to the eyeshadow palette, we have the Christmas Morning Holiday palette. This is beautiful. This retails for $36, which blew my mind. I thought this for sure was going to retail for like $50. So you have this beautiful, it looks like a present, right? There's this beautiful print of flannel on the front. It goes all the way and wraps around to the back. You got this really pretty red bow on the front, and it says Christmas Morning, and it says, has a little name tag. It says to you from Givemeglow, which I think is just the cutest thing ever. So this has a nice weight to it. It's flat, again, cardboard material. It does have a magnetic closure. You open it up, you have a really huge full-size mirror. There's 4 ultra matte shades with 4 high shine complementing foils. So we have 4 foiled eyeshadows and 4 matte shadows. So it does claim that this is a pressed pigment palette. I really love the colors in here. The tones are beautiful. Again, the shadows are magnetized. You can remove them. I love that they do this with all of their eyeshadow palettes. I almost forgot, you guys, everything here is cruelty free and vegan as well. Completely forgot to mention that. So yeah. So I'm going to pop up some swatches. The first one we have is Gifts Galore, Milk and Cookies, Stocking Stuffers, and Chimney. And then the bottom row we have Under the Tree, Pajamas, Cozy Fire, And then the final shade is Santa's Sleigh. Love the colors in here, love the names. The names are perfect. This is hands down the most beautiful, just 100% all around the most beautiful holiday palette I've ever seen. So my only complaint with this collection is that there is no ingredients list or the amount of product you're getting. So I wish they would put that on the back of their products. But besides that, wow. I mean, just from the swatches alone, you guys, I'm blown away. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do this. I need to pop on some lip balm because my lips are so dry. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday. I hope that somebody watches this video because I'm pretty sure I'm going to upload this on Christmas Day. So I hope you guys will, I don't know, if you have a little break or time away from family and you get bored. Alright, so I already primed my eyes with the Continuous Almond from Jordana. Set that with some powder, Milk and Cookies, which is this really nice, soft, warm brown. Looks like a nice warm brown shade. I'm using the Away Studio E126 brush, and I'm pretty familiar with the Givemeglow Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. It's very pigmented. There is a little kick up in the pan. Oh my goodness. These are so pigmented. Like, they know how to do a really pigmented eyeshadow. Alright, I'm going to pick this up on a pencil brush. This is the E128. I'm using a lot of the brushes, by the way. I'll try to list the brushes below. These are from the Shop Miss A eyeshadow set, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so I'm just going to blend that same color along lower lashes. You know how we do. Connect it up. Alright, I think I want to do a green eye look. I don't know, you guys. The greens in here are just really pulling me in. So I'm taking Under the Tree, which is the perfect Christmas tree color. And I'm gonna, oh my god. These are so big. I can't speak properly. These are so pigmented. I'm gonna start patting this on the outer corner here and bring this into the crease very lightly, because again, these are so pigmented, you have to be careful. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. crease brush and just start slowly blending that color. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and we'll probably just slowly build this color up. I'm going to go back through with that brush with whatever product is left on, going back to Milk and Cookies, and I'm just going to bring that color back in. Alright, so I'm going to take that same green color on one of my favorite brushes. It's the E115. It's a nice flat shader brush. And I'm going to go really close to the lower lash line, right where the root of those lashes are at the bottom. And I like to stamp this on first. I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush. This is the E130. And I'm just going to go and blend that green. Alright guys, so for the waterline, I think since we're going with lots of green today, I'm going to use the 12 Hour Made to Last eye pencil from Jordana in Jade Jewel. You could also tightline as well, but I'm having some issues with my right eye today, so I'm not going to tightline. I'm just going to put this in my lower waterline. Alright, that definitely looks much better. That white there was just bothering me. So that looks a lot better. I'm just going to go back through with my brush and just kind of blend around that. On that same pencil brush, I'm going to take Milk and Cookies, pick up a little bit of that, and just run that right at the edge, right underneath that green. And then once again, I'm going to go back in with Under the Tree, and I just feel like I'm going to add a little bit more to the outside here. So these foiled shadows, you guys, are so intense. Let's do Gifts Galore because it's this really beautiful kind of like duochrome color where it has like that sort of really warm brown reddish base. Pretty much where that blank space is. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, look at that. Wow. I'm just going to go along the edges here just to kind of bring some more of that green back. So we have to use Santa's Sleigh. You guys saw on the swatches. This is pure silver. So I'm going to use this on the E124 pencil brush. Oh my god, you guys. This palette is magical. 100% magical. Alright, so almost forgot. I did the liner and I like to do lashes last. Completely forgot about that because I like to set my face. So let's play with the highlighters. I'm going to try the first one here, which is called Snowflake. And she is gorge. So I think I'm going to take the AOA Studio F19 highlighter brush, which is one of my favorites, along the cheekbones. Oh my gosh, you guys, Jack Frost has nothing on us today because we are gonna look like a frosty deliciousness. Oh wow, that's pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit more, and I'm gonna put a little on the nose. Not a lot because this is really intense. A little on the cupid's bow. So that is what Snowflake looks like on my skin. It's just a really nice icy white. But once you blend and buff this into the skin, it really just looks so nice. That is beautiful. I'm in love. Alright, let's try the other one. I'm going to switch to a different highlighting brush. This one is from e.l.f. And we're going to take a little bit of Snow Angel. This is the loose highlighter. And it is a loose powder. So make sure to tap off your brush. So that's all I have. Just a very small amount because I'm not sure how this is going to go. So let's go ahead and just dust this on the cheekbones. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Alright, so there is Snow Angel. Really beautiful. I love how this one really buffed into the skin and it almost gives you that angelic glow. You know, it makes you look dewy and kind of glowy. It almost has this, I don't want to say translucent, but you know what I mean? It's not as intense as this side, I feel. This side, I feel like I can really see my skin coming through the highlighter. Yes, I feel like a snow angel right now. So I love both of them. I give them a huge thumbs up. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eyes. Just pop on a little mascara and lashes. And I will be right back. Alright guys, here is the finished eye look. Again, you can tightline with a pencil, but my upper waterline has been bothering me lately, so I really don't feel like putting liner there. But look at that lid color. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright guys, so here's the completed look. You guys just saw up close of the eyes. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this Givemeglow Cosmetics holiday collection, you guys. I wish it was still available. I feel kind of bad, but a lot of you wanted to see a review and kind of my thoughts and swatches. I have a good feeling that in 2019 they're going to explode. They're going to blow up. Everyone's going to know about them. I just have a really good feeling. So be sure to check them out. Check them out on Instagram because they will do updates and they're releasing so many new things. So if you didn't get your hands on this palette, don't worry. They are constantly coming out with new products. So I'm going to end the video here, you guys. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are having a really great holiday season. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. This is going to be the final video of 2018, so I hope you guys have a really happy new year. I think I'm going to take a little, just a little break from making videos for a little while, and don't worry, I am going to be doing my top cruelty-free beauty favorites of 2018, so that will be coming, but it will be coming in January. Thank you so much for watching, taking time out of your day to sit down and watch me ramble and put makeup on my face. So I will see you guys very, very soon. Sending love from my family to yours. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye guys.